Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create two instances of the same webcam in OBS. This is a really useful trick if you want to display your webcam in multiple scenes with different backgrounds or effects applied to each one. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your OBS application on your computer. Once you're in, navigate to the Scene section and click the plus icon to create a new scene, then click OK to confirm. This gives you a fresh workspace to build your first webcam setup. Now, in the bottom left corner of your screen, navigate to the Sources panel, click the plus icon and select Display Capture from the list, then click OK. This will allow you to capture what's showing on your monitor as a background layer. Next, look for the Display option and click the drop-down menu right beside it. From here, select your preferred display from the available options, then click OK to apply it. This sets up your background layer for the first scene. With your display capture in place, it's time to add your webcam. In the bottom left, click the plus icon again and this time select Video Capture Device, then click OK. In the Device drop-down menu at the top, choose your webcam from the list. Once you've selected it, click OK to add it to your scene. You can resize your webcam feed if needed by dragging the corners of the video window to fit your layout perfectly. Now here's where it gets interesting. In the bottom left, right-click on Video Capture Device and select Filters from the menu. This opens up a new window where you can apply effects to your webcam. Click the plus icon in the bottom left and select Chroma Key, then click OK. The Chroma Key filter allows you to remove your background and replace it with something else. Navigate to the Similarity slider and adjust it to the right to remove your background effectively. You can also adjust the Smoothness slider based on your preferences to make the edges look cleaner and more natural. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, click Close in the bottom right corner. Now let's create your second webcam instance. Navigate back to the Scene section and click the plus icon again. Then click OK to create a second scene. In the bottom left, go to Sources and click the plus icon, then select Display Capture and click OK. Just like before, look for the Display dropdown and select your preferred display from the list, then click OK. Here's the key step. In the bottom left, click the plus icon and select Video Capture Device. This time, instead of creating a new device, click the circle beside Add Existing, then select Video Capture Device from the list. This reuses the same webcam source you already set up. Click OK to add it to your second scene. Now right-click on Video Capture Device in the bottom left and select Filters again. Click the plus icon and select Chroma Key, then click OK. This time, navigate to the Similarity slider and adjust it based on your preferences to make sure that your first webcam and second webcam have different background settings. This is what makes each instance unique. You can also adjust the smoothness depending on your preferences to get the look you want. Once you're done, click Close in the bottom right, and that's it. You've successfully created two separate instances of the same webcam in OBS, each with its own customized background and effects. This gives you flexibility to switch between different looks without needing a second camera. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.